Are you looking for a truck that combines reliability, value, and peace of mind? Check out this 2019 Nissan Titan XD Crew Cab S pickup. With a dealer service history and recent services valued at over $325, this truck is a top pick for anyone looking for quality. It's a dealer certified pre-owned vehicle backed by our Quality Plus warranty, which covers you for 3 months or 3,000 miles. In addition, at the time of sale, you can take advantage of a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, an exclusive offer available to you. And don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option. Recent service includes a pre-delivery inspection, new wipers, and a fresh oil and filter change. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection to ensure your peace of mind. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, warranty, and the 5-year service plan. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a well-maintained, dealer-certified Nissan Titan XD. Visit us today